This is the step-by-step on how we disassemble and assemble the CPU. Step 1. Unplug all the cables. Unplug all the cables that connected to the CPU. Step 2. Open the case. Unscrew the screws at the back and remove the side panel. Step 3. Remove the system fan. Unplug the system fan from the motherboard and unscrew it. Step 4. Remove the CPU fan. Unplug the CPU fan from the motherboard and remove the screws. Step 5. Disconnect and remove the power supply. Unplug the cables connected to the motherboard and to the hard drive. Then gently remove the power supply. Step 6. Remove the hard drive. Unplug the SATA and the power cables and remove the screws, and after that remove the hard drive. Step 7. Remove the RAM or the memory. Push down the clips on the both sides and gently pull out the RAM. Step 8. Remove the motherboard. Unscrew the motherboard and carefully lift it out of the case. After disassembling the CPU, we are now ready to assemble it step by step, starting with the motherboard and the CPU fan installation, then assemble it following the reverse order.